ZANU-PF's Patrick Chinamasa has once again pointed a finger at Western governments, accusing them of orchestrating Zimbabwe's economic hardships and undermining the country's sovereignty. Nearly 45 years after independence, the party's Secretary for Legal Affairs claims sanctions, electoral meddling, and support for opposition parties form part of a long-running neo-colonial campaign to weaken both the state and ZANU-PF. Sarapina mashoko kubuda panguva ino vanhu vachiti aiwa Chinamasa haasi ari kuwanda nechiguno here uyu. Panguva ino achiblame western forces of causing citizens suffering. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Speaking during a virtual working meeting of the Standing Committee of the International Movement Forum of Supporters of the Struggle Against Modern Practices of Neo-Colonialism for the Freedom of Nations on 31 July 2025, Chinamasa said Western powers continue to wage what he called economic terrorism through a combination of political, economic, and technological interference. The meeting brought together political representatives from Russia, Venezuela, Serbia, China, Cuba, Zimbabwe, and other nations. In his 5-minute address, Chinamasa reaffirmed the ZANU-PF's commitment to resisting neo-colonialism and called for new global mechanisms to oversee elections without Western influence. In quotes, ZANU-PF should stand counted as a worthy supporter of the Forum of the Supporters of the Struggle Against Modern Practices of Neo-Colonialism for the Freedom of Nations, he declared. Chinamasa ended with a warning of skeptics. Those who have eyes, let them eye, and those who have ears, let them hear. Nokuti hatigonorega kutaura izvi takaona ne izvo takanzwa. According to him, Western interference remains the single biggest obstacle to Zimbabwe's true economic progress and political independence, decades after the official end of colonial rule. Thomas Korea panguva ino achitaurwa Chinamasa. Imbudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pama utterances ake. Pinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.